Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the RC Garage, and today I'm gonna get started on trying to put in the new motor and ESC into the Senton. Few things though, the pinion that came on the Senton stock does not fit on the shaft of the new motor. Like the stock motor's shaft diameter is smaller than the new one, so the pinion won't go on, so I had to order another one because my hobby shop didn't have the right one. So that's gonna come in a few days. So there's only a few things I could do to get started on this project, but it should still be good because I have to solder up some things still, and I have to modify the chassis, or not the chassis, oh yeah, the chassis, to fit these new batteries I got. So I'm gonna show you these new batteries and show you what we have to do today, and then we'll get to doing those things. Alright, so I have the stuff I need to solder right here. I have these new 4S batteries. The problem with these when trying to put them in the Senton is that these are too long, so I have to remove like some two little like plate thingies on each end of the battery like tray on the Senton. Shouldn't be too bad. I don't have to like cut anything. I just have to unscrew those two things. It looks like it's just held in with a screw, so I need to solder these up and then also put the connectors on this, and then maybe I'll even try installing this onto the car today too, but we'll see. But yeah, let's get to soldering these three things. Alright, so I have the stuff soldered up. Oh, pick this up. I have the batteries and then the ESC soldered up. Here's the motor. And then I have this battery over here. And I'm going to show you the problem I'm having. So, put the battery in. But then it hits right there. It doesn't go all the way down. So as you can see, this thing is right here. And when I put it in, it doesn't go down. So I am just gonna think this is just screwed down from this screw right here from the bottom. And I'm just gonna take this off real quick, and it should fit in without even taking the back one off. I should just be able to take one off, which I'm gonna take this one off, and it should fit. So let's try. Alright, so I think it's this one right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and remove this, and we should be able to fit in the battery with no problem. And then after that, we're gonna put in the ESC, or put on the ESC. It just sits on top. So yeah, let me get this out, and then we'll move on to the ESC. Alright, so now that we got that piece out, we're gonna test fit it. Perfect. And I think the strap will still go over fine. Let's see. Oh. Doing this one-handed. Yep, there it is. 4S, all strapped in. And then the other strap comes right here. But look at that, it's perfect. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Ooh, can't wait. Cannot wait. Now we're gonna move on to the ESC. Alright, this ESC is only held in by 2 screws, I think, on the back, or on the both sides. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove these, and then we also have to unplug it from the receiver. Alright, and there's also this screw for the switch that holds the switch on. I gotta take this off too. And then I'm not sure how the receiver box opens, but I gotta figure that out too. Alright, so this plate just pops off the top right there, and there's a receiver. And now I gotta unplug these wires right here, one that leads to the motor, or to the fan for the motor, and then the other one goes to the ESC. So I gotta unplug these two. That's it. And then I also have to take these wires out of this clip. I think should be able to just, yeah, yank them out, and there it is. The old ESC is out. Let's compare it to the new one. New one's a lot bigger, as you can see, but it's also a way bigger motor. So I don't know how it's gonna fit on top of here. We're gonna have to put that plate back on and see how I'm gonna mount this up. So let's do that. Alright, so I couldn't mount it up with this thing because the ESC was too wide either way, and it would hit these, so I couldn't like mount it flush. So what I had to do is I got like a piece of plastic that I just found, cut it to shape, and then countersunk the screws, and I got some countersunk screws in here, and now it's flush. So when I put the ESC on, it'll be flush with this, and it won't hit either of these. They're not sticking up. So that should work. I just need to clean this off, put the 3M tape, and then stick on the ESC. Alright, so this is all mounted in. I got the wires plugged in down there. I have this right here. The switch, I don't know where I'm going to mount it. I might mount it like right here on this side, and then screw it in right there. I don't know yet, or even back here. I don't know, but that's how it's gonna look with the battery in. The motor's gonna be right there. The motor wires plugged in. These are not in order. I just plugged them in just to see how it's gonna look. But that looks good. This is all stuck down with 3M tape. I don't know if I ever do put a fan on this. I'm gonna have to undo this and like put new double-sided tape, because I can't get to the screws from here. See how that's covered and that one's covered. But I mean, we'll see how hot this runs. If it runs really hot, then I'll put on a fan. But if it's fine, I'm just gonna leave it off, and it'll be okay. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm wanted to get the whole thing in, but I don't have the pinion in, so I can't really put it in all the way because I need to put the pinion on before I put it in here and put this on back where it was. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2.